we don't add weight into our hands or ankles while we jump on a Cellerciser spring rebounder. No way, Jose. We did use these IsoFlex hand massage balls. They're 5 ounces each. It's not about the weight. It's about that they're a little balloon of sand, and we use them to grip. And this allowed us to get more skillful at flexing into our upper body. And then we ditched the balls and we were still able to flex equally as hard, if not continue to progress our flexing skills. But those balls really connect us to the ability to flex. And so those we used, but we don't use any weights when we are jumping. And we definitely don't use a weighted vest either. Some people ask about a weighted vest. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to take the bar off of a Cellerciser, okay? Watch this. I just tip it over like that, and I remove the feet, and I put the feet down. I lean into the unit, I pull the bar off, I put the bar against the wall, and then I can just do that, right? That would be me storing it. I could put the feet back on, and then this is how I can put the bar back on, okay? The 2-foot pads are off here, and this is the hinge, so the bar surrounds the hinge, and I take my bar with the pockets there in front, and then I just slip it on each leg, and then I can put the feet back on. That's how easy it is to take the bar off and on, and then I can get to work, use my rebounder day in and day out, do gentle flexibility work and stretching and healing and recovery. If I've got a toe injury or an ankle injury, I could do extraordinary upper body strengthening activation while sit bouncing, just doing upper body moves like this and like this. Just feel it, do it yourself. You will see for yourself how strengthening it is. The core gets stronger here. We can lift the legs and strengthen into the hip flexors and the thighs. And we can do lay down exercises where we can do leg lifts. We could do bridge pose, and we can bring the bridge pose into a balance. I'm not doing it properly. I normally would have my head below the edge of the rebounder. There is some oil on this spring system, so I don't want to get any oil on me. We can go into a laid position with the legs up, and we can do core flexing, gentle bouncing. This is very strengthening for the neck and the face. We can do leg inversion and use the bar to lay our legs against the bar. There is so much we can do. We can do sit leg lifts like this. We could do walk the plank, where we use our resistance mat and we press into the mat. We can have our feet closer to the unit or farther apart from the unit like this. We could use it for push-ups and for planks and all the things. And one leg jumping is super powerful. We can strengthen into one leg, and we can actually do one leg bouncing like this, where we just put a toe down and we press down and strengthen into one leg. And we can do jaw exercises. We can recite the alphabet or count to 8 or sing to a song and strengthen up the jawline, tighten and tone up and lean up the face and the neck and the arms and the core and the legs. We could do our sprint interval training, and we can lift weights on the side.